course has been thoughtfully designed to align with the spirit of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and aims to nurture fundamental skills in advanced technologies. It integrates core subjects like Python programming, design thinking, digital electronics that guide the students through the structured journey of innovation, from problem identification to ideation, design, implementation, and finally, the testing and deployment. They use technology in terms of the latest high-end controller and processor, broadly giving high-end features in terms of automation. The initiative by the university reflects its strong commitment in experiential learning and early-stage innovation. The students have worked tirelessly to create working prototype backed by thorough documentation and thoughtful conclusion. These projects not only demonstrates technical capabilities but also reflect a high thinking mindset essential for tomorrow's engineers. I congratulate all the students for their creativity, perseverance, and professionalism. I also thank the university for creating such a robust platform for innovation at the very first year of engineering education. Thank you.